Hey everyone, so welcome back to Filigree Racing. This time we're here in my home garage with my Mazda, but we're bringing you some exciting news and we're going to show you how we go through and how we build different things. So we're going to get into it. Now, last year we went ahead, we met up with Cody Loveland Racing. We built his lines for NV Hypercar. He went through, he ran at Pikes Peak. They snapped an axle nut off at Pikes Peak. They were positioned for third on qualifying, but due to the snapping of the axle nut the day of Pikes Peak, they didn't make it. Well, time has moved on. It's been almost a year since Pikes Peak, and Cody's actually working for Supercar Systems. Now, that's where we come in. Cody was so impressed with our brake lines, so impressed with the quality, that when it came time for Supercar Systems to be needing brake lines for their supercars, Cody goes, we need to go to Filigree Racing. So he reached out to us. We went through, we put in the bid, we did everything on our side to get everything ready, and well, we're now doing their brake line systems. So today we're actually going to be building their test lines for 001 car. Right here is what that car looks like. Let's get into how they're built, show you what goes into it, everything like that. So let's get going. Okay, so the lines are all built. That's ready to go out. We just have a few missing parts to get in, which hopefully they'll be here in the next couple days. But we're going to get these down to them. They should be putting that car out for testing here in the next 2 weeks or so, if I remember right. But let's go ahead, flip the camera around. Okay, so we flip it around here. This is our carbon fiber brake line. You can see that stainless braid going on the inside. All of our fittings are CNC'd directly from HEL Performance. You can see nice clean inside. They are not cast. A lot of companies will use cast fittings. These are not cast. These are 100% CNC'd. So they're all nice and clean. You can see that nice carbon fiber look to it. It's basically a transparent black PVC outer coating on it, and then it just allows you to be able to see on the inside. Gives it that nice clean look. This is a brake and clutch line kit, which is why there's so many lines. And then this is actually a dry brake for their clutch system. That way they can hook up to their custom gearbox that they're running in the supercars, and they don't have to worry about re-bleeding it if they need to pull the gearbox or anything like that. Not a big deal. They just separate it. These just click apart, click back together. They allow no fluid loss, and they also allow no air to go back into them. So those are kind of handy, but this gives you a good view of what it is we do. All right, so that shows you what's going on. Now we do offer over 6,000 different models and trims between clutch lines, brake lines, ABS deletes, you name it, we do that. We also do AN lines. I don't know how many of you guys actually knew that out there, but we do up to dash 20 AN lines. We're working on the dash 4s to try to be able to start crimping them rather than running compression fittings, but it's in the works. We're trying it. We're trying to get it going. We're limited on our stock of AN stuff just because HEL's been struggling to get them in, but every chance we get, we've had some of them on back order for a year, but we're trying. So if you're looking for something, reach out to us. We have dry brakes. We have everything you need. But that's going to wrap it up for the Supercar system. We're going to ship these out. They should get them later this week, and hopefully we'll be able to get pictures. I know that when they do the first batch order, once they confirm all these, then we are planning on packing up our stuff. We'll fly down there, meet them directly, and start building the next ones. That's going to be it for today. We'll see you on the next video.